Did you wonder how to do a half-day tour in Hanoi's old quarter? This afternoon, Indochina Voyages would walk you through the real Hanoi. No rush, no crowds, just the streets, the stories, and the food. Hello guys, I'm Zhu from Indochina Voyages. So today, I want to interview you how to make a half-day tour in the old quarter Hanoi. So this is first of all, as you can see, I'm standing right here in Han Street. This is the oldest street in Hanoi, and this is famous for a kind of cake in Vietnam called bánh cốm. Bánh cốm is a green sticky rice cake. It has been made on these streets for over a century. It's sweet, earthy, and completely unlike anything you have tasted before. The next stop is Dong Son Market. This is where the locals shop every single day. This market was built in 1889. This is the heartbeat of Hanoi Quarter. You can find so many things in this market like fabric, dry goods, souvenir, and street food. For slow travelers, this is not a good place to shop. It's a place to feel the city breeze. Just watch people are moving around, you'll get it. Before the next stop, we have a short break. We stop to have a snack. It's called Pho Thiên Phong. Well, I guess when you heard about pho, you might think of a bowl of noodle with broth, but this one goes different. It is deep fried in a hot pan of oil, and we also grab some fresh spring rolls on the side. Trust me, halfway through a walk like this is exactly what you need. So this next stop, I'm right here in Bạch Mã Temple, as you can see right behind me. Bạch Mã Temple is a white horse temple. It's over 1,000 years old, built to honor the guardian spirit of Hanoi's ancient walls. Even today, locals come here to light incense and give thanks. This our afternoon is finished here. As you can see, I'm standing right by the lake called Hoàn Kiếm Lake. As you can see, this is Hanoi at the end of the day. People are heading home after work. Others are out for their evening walk. Tourists are slowing down, watching the sun go. Nobody is in the rush anymore. And this is where almost every Indochina Voyage journey begins. If you want to explore more places like this, not just Hanoi, but around Vietnam, Indochina Voyages have been doing this for ages. The link is below. Well, we take care of everything you want to. See you out there next time.